Imagine a world where we can see the building blocks of life. This is the revolutionary promise of single-atom magnetic resonance imaging. Traditional MRI has been a cornerstone of modern medicine, but single-atom MRI, powered by magnetic resonance force microscopy, takes us far beyond. It grants us access to the realm of atoms, the fundamental units of matter. We're witnessing the precise arrangement of atoms within molecules. The implications of this technology are staggering, spanning diverse fields from medicine to materials science. Perhaps the most profound impact will be in healthcare, revolutionizing drug discovery and ushering in an era of personalized medicine. Traditional MRI relies on powerful magnets and radio waves to generate images of our internal organs and tissues. It's a powerful tool, but it has limitations. Its resolution is restricted, making it impossible to visualize individual atoms. This is where MRFM steps in, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with MRI. MRFM combines the principles of MRI with the precision of atomic force microscopy. This technique uses a tiny, vibrating cantilever with a magnetic tip. When the atoms in the sample are exposed to a magnetic field, their nuclei align themselves accordingly. The MRFM cantilever detects these minute changes in alignment. These changes are then translated into detailed images, revealing the position of individual atoms within the molecule. The sensitivity of MRFM is remarkable, allowing us to detect forces as small as a few attonewtons. This breakthrough in imaging technology has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of biological processes at the most fundamental level. The ability to observe and understand biological molecules at atomic resolution opens up a universe of possibilities in healthcare. One of the most promising applications of single-atom MRI is in drug discovery. Imagine being able to see exactly how a drug molecule interacts with its target protein in the body. We can visualize the precise binding sites of drugs and understand their mechanisms of action at an atomic level. This level of detail allows for the development of highly targeted drugs, designed to interact with specific molecules involved in disease pathways. This precision targeting minimizes side effects and increases drug efficacy. It holds immense promise for diagnosing diseases at their earliest stages, even before symptoms appear. This is the future that single-atom MRI brings within reach, a future where medicine becomes truly preventative and personalized. Section 4. AI, the architect of molecular maps. The data generated by single-atom MRI is incredibly complex. This is where artificial intelligence steps in, acting as the architect that transforms this data into meaningful insights. AI algorithms excel at pattern recognition and data analysis, making them perfectly suited for deciphering the intricate world of molecular structures. AI can analyze the vast datasets generated by single-atom MRI, identifying subtle patterns and anomalies. This allows us to map the structure of complex molecules with unprecedented accuracy. This knowledge is crucial for developing new drugs and therapies, as well as for understanding the fundamental processes of life itself. Section 5. Accelerating the future AI-driven drug discovery with real-time feedback. The synergy between single-atom MRI and AI is particularly potent in the field of drug discovery. Traditionally, developing new drugs has been a time-consuming and expensive process. AI has the potential to significantly accelerate this process. By analyzing the data from single-atom MRI, AI algorithms can identify promising drug candidates and predict their efficacy and potential side effects. Imagine scientists conducting virtual experiments, simulating the interaction of drug molecules with their targets using AI-powered models. This real-time feedback loop allows for rapid iteration and optimization of drug candidates, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with traditional drug development methods. Section 6. A quantum leap simulating life's blueprint for medical breakthroughs. The insights gleaned from single-atom MRI, when combined with the power of AI, open up even more exciting possibilities: the realm of quantum simulations. Quantum computers hold immense potential for understanding the complexities of biological systems. By using the data from single-atom MRI, we can create highly accurate quantum simulations of biological molecules and processes. This deeper understanding of the quantum mechanical principles governing biological systems could lead to the development of entirely new classes of drugs and therapies. This is the promise of combining single-atom MRI with AI and quantum computing. A future where we can not only observe the building blocks of life, but also understand and manipulate them with unprecedented precision, leading to transformative advances in medicine.